So guys, I saw something online and I decided to give it a try. I don't know if it will be a positive something or a negative something, but I decided to give it a try. Welcome to my channel. If today is the first time seeing my face, you're highly welcome. My name is Kamsi. I'm based in Italy, but I'm a Nigerian. So while strolling through AliExpress, because I have this shopping fever that most times I just bring my phone, I'll be going through the shopping apps I have on my phone. So that day I was going through my AliExpress app and I saw something. There are some shoes that they placed and they were putting €3 something, €4 something. With €10, I was able to select three shoes. I was like, could this be true? I don't know if it is true. I don't know if it is true. So I decided to give it a try to experiment if there's some things that they are doing can be true. So I went through the review, the comment section to know what the review is all about. And I saw that people were giving good reviews about it. I was like, wow, is it possible for me to use €10? It was €10 something. It wasn't €10, but it wasn't up to €11. If I remember, I will screenshot it and put it here. So the thing came in. My husband brought it up for me. I opened it like this and I decided like, okay, why not unbox it on camera so that people can see. So I tried to come and unbox it together. I don't know what to expect. I don't know if it will be a good one because people were saying it was nice, like giving positive reviews. And it wasn't the main price actually, but they did sales like they cut down the price and I was getting €3 something, €4, whatever. So I was like, okay, why not give it a try? If it is something good, or thanks to God. If it is not, pass. Italian people will say pass, okay? So let us unbox this and know how far, if it is something that worth getting, okay? So this is the pack. This is the first shoe. Okay, in here, there is another one here, okay? So this is there is this, is it rubber or leather, whatever that is smelling. So this is the first shoe. This is the first shoes, okay? The leather is okay. This is this kind of shoes that is very soft. The sole is very soft. I don't know if it's rubber or what, but I think it's rubber or leather. It's rubber, rather. So the sole is okay. I'll have to test it on my legs and insert the clip, okay? So this is the first one. Men looking at it, is a nice shoe. I think this should be for summer, but it has a double distance. I think you can wear this for during summer and spring, even this cold weather. But if it's raining, it will not be good because the rain will soil your legs. But you can wear it with a thick stockings. You can wear it during this winter. But the shoe is fine, I must tell you. So this is the first one. What do you have to say? This is the ash color. It has different color and I chose this, but I don't have this color of shoe. So this is nice, okay? I'll rate this, is a 10 over 10 for me based on the material, but I've not tried it. If I try it, I will show you guys. Then this is the second pack. Okay, this is the second one, and hey guys, this one is finer than this one. I tell you true, this one, the leather, this is very nice. I have something like this is very nice. This leather is very nice. Is it rubber or whatever? It's very nice, but this one is better off. This one you can't bend here. It's only here that you can bend. Why you can bend here, you can bend here and bend here, and this is nice. This one is better off, guys. Hey, so this is true. See, I got this less than €5. I think this should be €3 something or €4. But I did not pay up to €11 for all for the three shoes. This is beautiful. This is wow. I must tell you that I'm really impressed. I'm really like, thank God I bought these things. Oh. I bought size 40 for all of them. I'll still try it. Okay, so the last one, I don't have this colors of shoes, so that's why I decided to give it a trial. Hey, pardon me, but this is nice. So it's possible I can use 10 euro or 11 euro to get 3 shoes. This is beautiful, guys. This is nice. This is nice. And this is not the kind of shoe that the way I dare to get this, that I've gotten something like this before. At least I have 3 of them before. I have pink, I have milk color, and I have something like, it's not pink, it's not, I don't know how to explain that color anyways. It's not pink. I have pink, I have something like, I don't know how to, it's not like viola, like, I don't know the color of viola in English. Is there, I don't know if people understand the color of viola color, okay? It's like viola, but not really like viola, not pink. You know, that's not pink, not purple. Okay, purple is viola, not pink, not purple. I don't know. So this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. I can't bend here. Guys, the soles are wonderful. This is amazing. This is amazing. So if you don't know, this is not a sponsored video, please. This is not a sponsored video. For someone to say they paid you to come and review. Nobody paid me. I bought the thing myself. Nobody told me to do anything. I went for the shopping fever. I saw it online. It was at midnight sef. I was just trying to see if I can see something, and I got this. I got size 40 for all of them. So what I will do now is test them on my shoes, because sometimes you see shoes like this, and when you test them it won't come out well. So this is beautiful, this is beautiful, and this is beautiful. Okay, so they are all amazing. I really like them, and I give this a 10 over 10. All of them, they are 10 over 10 minus nothing, okay? Depending on the quality, I expected it to be like what I ordered versus what I got. You know, you can set this here. When you wear it, you set them, okay? So this is beautiful. I must tell you that I never expected this, so I didn't expect it to be this way. I didn't expect it to be this way, but in everything, thank God my money wasn't a waste. I now have 3 pairs of new shoes for just small amount of money. Don't misunderstand me. Some people will say 10 euro is still the big money. Yes, it's a big money, but considering the kind of things you get here, okay? So I must say that shopping online, I've not regretted shopping on AliExpress for one day. Yeah, I've never regretted shopping in AliExpress for one day. Before, I used to look down look down on them. AliExpress company, forgive me for looking down on you people before now, because people normally tell me that place is China. I bought most of my things via Amazon. But since a friend of mine told me that they sell good things, I've experienced it, and since then, I think since last year, I've been shopping from them. Man, these shoes are amazing. This is beautiful. Just look at this shoe. Isn't this beautiful? Just look at this. I don't know if this one is my best though. Even when I saw this shoe, they were like, it's men's shoe. I was like, no, this shoe is unisex. This is so beautiful. And look at this one. This is beautiful. And this is beautiful. So I'll just test them, try them on my leg, and I'll attach the clip to you for you people to see. So thank you for watching. This is just what I said to come and do and show you guys. Like, see you who know the like better thing. With so much chickily money, you get 3 things, like small chickily money. So I have shoes that I can use to flex. Like, now that I'm driving, no more wearing shoes during summer and all this. You know, I hate shoes. I hate wearing shoes. Rather, I hate wearing shoes. Yeah, pardon me. I hate it. But since I bought that one like this, those ones I bought, they are not painful any longer, because why I hate wearing shoes is because of my toes. Okay, you wear shoes and before you know it, you're having pain. But when you wear sandals and slippers, you are free. So that made me hate shoes. But since I discovered this type of shoes, and you know, because of the leather, it's not like a thick this thing, your legs won't be hurting and all that. So considering that you can't, here they say you don't drive with slippers, you can only drive with drive with sandals and shoes. And during winter, you can't wear sandals. So that is why I'm trying to invest into shoes. And I got this amazing offer. Amazing and beautiful. This shoe don't sweet me past time. This is beautiful. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Have you ever got something via online, something you just like looked down thinking that because of its cheap it won't be nice, and it came out well? So in my case now, I looked down on this and it came out amazingly well. So let me just try them, and I'll start the clip for you to see. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, like and comment. See you guys in my next video. For now, bye.